Hi, Miss Janet here, coming to you from the Stova Library, just wanting to spend some time singing some more songs, having a story together. So I hope you're ready to sing along with me because I need your help. Let's start and do hello, everybody, and how are you? Hello, everybody, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everybody, and how are you? How are you today? Hello, everybody, and clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Hello, everybody, and clap your hands today. All right, good job. Thanks for singing along. Now, I brought along my tapping sticks, so if you have some sticks you could use at home, or maybe you have some wooden spoons, whatever you have, or maybe you have something else that you would like to tap along with. And remember, I have these awesome ones that you can rub or tap. Those ones are cool. So I'm choosing some orange tapping sticks, so I want you to go and find something that you can tap and sing along. And let's just sing. Let's start with A, B, C, D, because that's one we can all sing along with, and we all know the words, and we can tap or I can rub. Doesn't matter, whatever you would like to do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And give yourselves a big tap. Good job. All right. How about we do Baba Black Sheep? Because that's a good one. We can also tap to that one, and we know that one very well. So let's tap and sing Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Again, make a big tapping sound. Good job. All right, thank you for joining in with me. And maybe we could also do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and we can tap along with that one too. You're doing a great job. Okay, let's do Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay, okay, let's tap and clap. Good job. Way to go, friends. That was awesome. Okay, can you hold up 5 fingers or all the fingers on your one hand? And we're going to do 5 fat sausages, okay? So we're going to count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down to 0. Okay, so let's start with 5. 5 fat sausages frying in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One went bam! Oh my goodness. And now how many do we have? We just have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fat sausages frying in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One went bam! And now how many? There's just 1, 2, 3. Hold up 3 fingers. Good job. 3 fat sausages frying in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One went bam! And now how many are there? There's just 1, 2. 2 fat sausages frying in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One went bam! And now how many? Just 1 is left. 1 fat sausage frying in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One went bam! And now how many? We don't have any more sausages. That was all of them. Good job. Way to go. You friends are good counting backwards from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Way to go. Okay, I brought this book today. This is a Pete the Cat book. Pete the Cat and the Wheels on the Bus. So this is another one, another book that we can sing to. Pete the Cat and the Wheels on the Bus. We haven't sang the Wheels on the Bus for a long time, so I hope you're ready to sing along. You can do the actions. Miss Jana has a little bit of a more difficult time because I'm holding a book, but I'll try to do the actions as best as I can, but I would like you to do yours as well, okay? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job. And here we have the horn, and it's going beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Good job. And we know what these are. These are the wipers going swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Good job. And here we have those signals, and they're going blink, 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 because they're stopping. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. Good job. Now the motor, and it's going zoom, zoom, zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 all through the town. And here we've got the door, and it's going open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. And here on this bus, we've got lots of kitty cats, and they're saying, "Come on, Pete." They want him to come on. The kitties on the bus say, "Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete." The kitties on the bus say, "Come on, Pete," all through the town. And here the driver, he's saying, "Move on back." The driver on the bus says, "Move on back, move on back, move on back." The driver on the bus says, "Move on back," all through the town. And here, all Pete's friends are saying, "Come sit with us. Come and have a seat with us." Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us, sit with us, sit with us." Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us," all through the town. And the back of the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The back of the bus goes up and down, all through the town. And here it says the kitties on the bus are saying, "Pete the Cat." The kitties on the bus go, "Pete the Cat, Pete the Cat, Pete the Cat." The kitties on the bus go, "Pete the Cat," all through the town. Oh, and we have a puppy dog on the bus, and he's going ruff, ruff, ruff. The dog on the bus goes ruff, 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 ruff. The dog on the bus goes ruff, 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 all through the town. And now it says the cats, they're shouting, "Let's rock out!" The cats on the bus shout, "Let's rock out! Let's rock out! Let's rock out!" The cats on the bus shout, "Let's rock out!" all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And there they are, going down the road. Good job. Pete the Cat, the wheels on the bus. Thank you for singing along. You did an awesome job. Way to go. Okay, I brought a couple of things to put up, and this is going to be my flannel board today. So I thought that we should go and do zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to what is this? Here is our moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon and climb aboard my rocket ship. Okay, so let's do zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Climb aboard my rocket ship. And I forget the rest of the words. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. We'll have to start that one again. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! Good job. How about instead of going to the moon, we go here, we go to the sun. So that's fun. We're going to go fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. Fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Fun, fun, fun. We're going to the sun. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! And let's go here. What is this? This is the stars. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yay! Good job. Thank you, friends. And now I think we need to say so long until next time. So I hope you have a great day. Have fun playing. Have fun doing your chores around the house. Have an awesome day, and I will see you back here soon. Take care and so long for now. Bye-bye.